Good morning everyone. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we will discuss the assignment dated 15 June 2020. So what is our topic today? Our topic is sentences are given and using the same sentences we have to frame questions. Alright, I am repeating the sentences are given and using the same sentences we have to frame questions. So our first sentence, Ravi will prepare the draft today itself. I am repeating my sentence, Ravi will prepare the draft today itself. If I ask you to frame the question using for this sentence, if I ask you to prepare the question for this sentence, so can you prepare how Ravi will prepare the draft? You cannot, because the answer of how is not given. But at the same time, if you ask who will prepare the draft, yes, it is giving the answer. Who will prepare the draft? Ravi will prepare the draft. So, what is our first question? Who will prepare the draft? And as we all know, never forget to put question mark at the end. The second sentence. If I talk about the second sentence, what else we can make? What else we can make? When Ravi will prepare the draft. So the same sentence will give you the answer of when also. What is the second question? When will Ravi prepare the draft? Again, as this is question we all know well, so we are supposed to put question mark at the end. Now our second sentence, the man pulled the animal out using rope. Can you frame the question using how? Yes, if I talk about second sentence we can. So what will be the question? How did the man pull? Now why I used pull instead of pulled? Though pulled is given. Pull is given in the question, so in the sentence, why I am using pull? Because I have used did. And with did we always use first form of the verb. So the question would be, how did the man pull the animal? How did the man pull the animal? What would be the second question? What did the man pull? What did the man pull? So, what did the, again, with did I use first form of the verb. What did the man pull using rope? What did the man pull out using rope? So easily you can give the answer. The man pulled animal using rope. Let's move to the third question. So the next question is, you will find the keys on the table. So first question is too easy to frame. Where? Yes, where word comes in our mind whenever we see on the table. So where will you find the keys? As we had discussed earlier also, question mark at the end. So what else, which else question we can frame using this sentence? What will you find on the table? What will you find on the table? Alright, one thing you have to keep in your mind, yes, more possibilities can be there. For example, you can frame who will find the keys on the table. This is another possibility. Alright, so if you say who will find the keys on the table, again the answer will be you. You will find the keys on the table. Now let's move to the next question. What is our next question? The man at the gas station will help you. Now the question arises, what is gas station? If you go to foreign countries like US, UK, so over there petrol pumps are known as gas station. So my question is, the man at the gas station will help you. So again, the first question comes in our mind is who? Who will help you at the gas station? Who will help you at the gas station? Next possibility is, what will the man at the gas station do? Again, question mark. And when we look at the fifth sentence, they close the shop at 9 p.m. as the time is given. As the time is given, so the first question comes in our mind is when? When will they close the shop? When will they close the shop? Again, question mark. Right? If I move to my sixth sentence, we can rely on her promises. Rely on means trust, believe. So we can rely on her promises. So first question, the first question we can frame is, can we rely on her promises? Can we rely on her promises? And at the end, question mark. You need to keep the same in your mind that at the end of the question we have to put the question mark, because usually we write in so hurry that we forget. So this thing we are not supposed to forget. So at the end, can we rely on her promises? What is the second question we can frame? On whose promises? On whose promises we can rely? On whose promises we can rely? Two possibilities are there for this sentence. Either you could write, either you can write on whose promises we can rely, or we can write whose promises we can rely on. So this is a preposition on what you can use at the beginning or at the end also. Both are acceptable. Alright, and if I talk about this sentence, so in place of we, sometimes you can write you also. It depends on the sentence. Now let's move to the next sentence. The next sentence, the next is, I shall write to the manager. So which question we can frame out of it? If I have a sentence, I shall write to the manager, which question we can frame out of it? The question will be, whom shall I write to? So when you ask whom shall I write to, the answer will be manager. The next question is, you will be treated as friend. You will be treated as friend. So what will be the question? How will you be treated? My next question is, she'll invite the CEO as chief guest. I'm repeating, she'll invite the CEO as chief guest. So who will she invite? The question we can frame out of it, who will she invite, or whom she will invite as chief guest. That also you can write, either who or whom. Both are acceptable. Either you can write who will she invite as chief guest, or you can write whom will she invite as chief guest. The next question, they will see the Niagara Falls during their trip to Canada. I'm sorry, the spelling is incorrect. Canada. During their trip to Canada. Niagara Falls. Why I have written because this is a name. So the first letter of the proper noun is always capital. That's why Niagara Falls and Canada, all three words, the first letter is capital. So when I have the question, they will see the Niagara Falls during their trip to Canada. What will be the answer? The answer would be the first possibility. The first possibility is what? What will they see? What will they see during their trip? During their trip to Niagara. Alright, and what can be the next possibility? The next possibility can be when will they see Niagara Falls? I hope all the questions are clear to you. Thank you so much and have a good day.